Good day learners. Today we are going to see about the cash management. Myself Dr. M. Chandra, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration in well-reputed institution National College Autonomous, Tiruchirappalli. Today we are going to see about the cash management. So cash plays a very important role in business. How the human blood is very important to the body, likewise cash is a very important role in the cash business. Without cash, the business cannot be run fluently. So cash plays a very important role in business. So we are going to see about the cash management. In that we are first going to see about the cash budget. So cash budget is prepared to know the estimation of cash flows of the business over a specific period of time. It is a balance between the outflow and inflow of the cash. So cash budget is prepared for know the inflow and outflow of the business. The cash budget is prepared to know the how much payment we have to made. Is the cash is available and sufficient to run the business. So it is used to determine whether the business has enough cash for operating expenses during a specific period of time. The specific period of time is maybe a weekly, monthly or quarterly. According to the business concern, it may be differ. So cash budget is prepared during a periodic times. So provide an investment of surplus. So if we have surplus amount, we need to invest in some other so that the business can be developed. Productivity it will be. If we keep our fund simply, it won't be produced anything. So if you have to invest in some other thing, the fund may be developed and produced. It may be developed. So every businessman will be developing them in periodic time. So they need to investment something, they need to extend their business. Planning for long-term, short-term loan if there is deficient balance. If we know that the money is available is deficient, we need to plan for loan. The loan may be short-term or long-term loan. According to the deficient amount, we will be planning. So cash budget is prepared knowing the estimation of cash flows and determining the enough cash for operation, and if it is excess for investment and planning for long term or short term loans. So first we see about the format of the cash flow. So format of the cash budget is opening balance, add receipt, less payment. The receipts are what we are receiving is a receipt. What we are receiving the amount. In business people receive the amount for the cash sales, and collection of the debtors. The debtors if we done the sales for credit, they will be giving the amount in period of time, next month or 2 months later. So what the period of time they are telling, they will give it. So it is a collection from the debtors. Loan received. So we will apply for the short term or long term loan, we receive the amount. So other thing what are we receiving is receipt. We will receive the rent or interest from investment or some other thing. What are the receipt we are? It is a receipt. So opening balance, what is available at the period of the beginning is opening balance, add receipt. So less payment. So payment what we are going to pay, if we purchase the raw material or machinery, we are going to pay. So cash purchases, opening balance, cash purchases, opening balance, payment to the creditors. So if you pay if you ask the raw materials we purchase and pay for next month or 2 months later, it will be payment to the creditors. Wages or salaries paid, rent paid. What we are making the payment is payment. So total payment, total receipt plus opening balance is A. So A minus B is closing balance. So this month's first month's ending closing balance will be the second month's opening balance. Second month's closing balance will be third month opening balance. So if it is deficit, we need to have a loan. So to know the closing balance and available balance at the end of the period, we need to prepare the cash budget. Thank you. We will see you next class.